bottom in the middle. Using my hand to go over the edges. I'm using soapy water so this tint can slide around. Y'all be asking me why I be using so much soap sometimes. Y'all be asking me how to deal with bubbles. And bubbles be coming from people not having enough soap. So you just put this tint up here, that sticky side with no lubricant. It's gonna lay down in some places and it's gonna be popped up in other places. So this soapy water helps you glide a tool across the tint and squeeze y'all the water out from the left to the right. Alright, working. So now, let me take my head off. Run your hand across the tint. We call this making passes. Because when you put the tool up here, you don't want the tool to be scratched. You don't want the tool to crease the tint. So to stop the tool from creasing the tint, you make some passes, like almost like you're putting a stroke mirror in the film. That way, when you come back with it with the tool, it don't seem like it ain't recognized that stroke before. Some dirt got stuck in the tint. It's a tint. You want to get that stuff off real quick while it's wet. When it comes to fitting it in, you want to make sure everything right before you get to locking that film in. That's better. Check both sides. Check the left side. Check the right side. Stroke down with it. I'm using the orange tool as far as I can get it. So I got a tool for the rest of this area down here, but I'm gonna use this tool to get it where I want it. Yep. Put that strip on the front. They're gonna make it look real good. You can either do a black piece of wrap, or you can do 5% tint. Black strip with knifeless tape on the outside. And I might do that. So I got some black on the way. Which right? I might do all three of them. I put a piece of black wrap on the outside just to keep it cool. Yep. Just pushing the tip down. Alright. Pretty much how you install the window. Get that clip. We have 56 people in here.